Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy cake topper. I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to start by typing my words. I then change the fonts by clicking on the word and then choosing the font from the drop-down menu. For both the 60 and ampersand, I am using the font called Times. For Fabulous, I am using a font called Sweet Sensations, which is free for personal use. I will have a link to that in the description. As you can see, the spacing on Fabulous is incorrect, so to fix it, I will go up to letter space and click the down arrow until the letters are joining. From here, I'll go through and size all the elements until I'm happy. I will select everything and right click and click Weld. What welding does is it joins all the elements together to make one image. So when it comes time to cut, I will be cutting one image instead of 3 separate images. Finally, from here, I'll size my topper to fit the cake and then go ahead and make it. I place my cardstock on the mat, and I'm using heavyweight cardstock today by Bella Glitz in the colour of gold. I then place the mat into the Cricut and start cutting. I just want to make a mention here that I am using the poster board setting as the cardstock is quite thick. Once the Cricut has finished cutting, I then carefully remove the topper from the mat. I use some hot glue to attach the food grade wooden skewer, and then my cake topper is complete. You don't have to do this next step, but if you prefer to have glitter on the backside as well, all you need to do is just reverse the image and then glue it on after the skewer is dry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.